dear students, education is no allegation of knowledge but the formation of character. A good teacher and mentor can inspire hope, ignite the imagination, and instill a love of learning. It's time to know about our esteemed guest. May I now request our revered principal, Mr. Sisi Ranjan Panigrahi sir, to welcome all the esteemed guests and introduce them to the spectators.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, esteemed guests, faculty members, parents, and most importantly, our exceptional students. I stand before you with great pleasure and pride as we gather to celebrate the pinnacle of our academic year, the annual function of Sai Vinayak International School. In this scared atmosphere, I am extremely overwhelmed to get this opportunity to welcome you all to this auspicious celebration of second annual day of our elite family. Honorable Chief Guest, Chief Speaker, Guest of Honor, esteemed members of management, all the teaching and non-teaching staff of Sai Vinayak family, media personnel, and my dear students of Sai Vinayak International School. This is a special day for us as we celebrate the achievement of our students and the hard work of our teachers and staff. We are also honored to have the distinguished guests with us today who have kindly agreed to grace this occasion with their presence. We have the person of excellence, an epitome of inspiration, and a great educationalist, Professor Lakshmidhar Raut sir, as our chief guest of this day. He was the principal of Bonaigarh College in Raulkela, Sundargarh, and retired in the year 2016. He is constantly associated with educational institutions and has proved himself as a prominent educationalist of this decade. He is also an inspiring writer who has composed more than 100 books about Indian history, world history in English and Odia languages. Getting him as the chief guest is an absolute honor for us. Next to him, we have our chief speaker of this celebration, Pandit Sangram Acharya sir. I am sure the elixir in his word would help us to thrive in this era of education meticulously. He has used his pen to judiciously that the books and column written by him have built a prominent castle in the hearts of the readers. He is the current editor of one of the reputed magazines, Amrut Darshan. No country or community can progress unless it has gained the basic values of leadership ingrained in its very persona. Yes, development, success and achievement have never been successful without a leader. And to our golden fate, we have the precious gem of Vinayak family, the source of our existence, Mr. Manoj Kumar Padi sir. The person in his love towards education has managed to bring unceasing revolution in modern education in Bhadrak by establishing such a premise where a student career is crafted with special care from school life to bright college life. His optimistic guidance is fostering three temples of learning, that is Sai Vinayak International School, Vinayak Residential Higher Secondary School and Vinayak Degree College in Bhadrak. He is also the former principal of Panchayat Degree College Barikpur and now serving as the lecturer of political science in the same college. He is also the leader of All Odisha 662 College Teacher Association, which dignifies his capacity in administration. Even his greediness towards acquiring continuous knowledge has pursued him in attending the second postgraduate degree in English literature recently from FM University Baleshwar. Finding him as our guest has highly pleased us. Next, we have the person of greatness, a face with unceasing smile, a person full of love and affection, the founder member of Binayak Degree College, our chairman of Sai Binayak International School, Mr. Pramod Kumar Raut sir. He is a great educationalist, social activist and a great leader too. He has served the Regional Degree College Rambagh Jajpur as a lecturer in economics. His dynamic spirit, brilliant administration and vigorous enthusiasm will help exemplary forever. We feel proud and extremely honored for having you on this stage. Next to him, we have the well-known person of chemistry, the pioneer of organic chemistry and present principal of Binayak Residential Higher Secondary School, Mr. Prabhat Kumar Korpadi sir. The esteemed person has always presented his immeasurability and managing the academic life of the institution. Under his supervision, direct administration and institution has touched the height of the sky and expect he will stay with us with never-ending elegance in upcoming years. His presence in this meeting is highly solicited. Next to him, we have the person of moral values, a great academic advisor, educationalist, motivator and a person of golden heart, Mr. Nityananda Jena sir. He is the retired principal of DAV Institution of Odisha. At present, we are blessed to have him as the chief academic advisor of Sai Binayak International School. We feel really grateful to have Mrs. Subhalakshmi Padhi Madam on this auspicious occasion. She is the president of Binayak Learning Trust. She is the woman of everlasting enthusiasm and abound courage with motherly love and endless care. She is the source of all inspiration behind the success of Binayak family. She is a great social activist, motivator, philanthropist, and very optimistic. Having such a personality has really graced the celebration. It is also honored to have Mrs. Pramila Raut Madam, the trustee of Binayak Learning Trust. She embodies enduring enthusiasm and abundant courage, exuding maternal love and boundless care, serving as the wellspring of inspiration for Binayak family. The annual function is a time to showcase the talent and skill of our students who have worked tirelessly without the year of excel in academic, sports, arts and other co-curricular activities. It is also time to acknowledge the efforts and dedication of our teachers and staff who have guided and supported our students in every step of their journey. They have not only imparted knowledge but also instilled values and morale in our students, making them responsible and respectful citizens of tomorrow. The theme of this year is Dream, Believe and Achieve. This theme reflects the vision and mission of our school to inspire our students to dream big, believe in themselves and achieve their goals. We believe that every student has potential to shine and succeed and strive to provide them with a best opportunity and facility to nurture their talents and aspirations. The annual function is also time to have fun and enjoy the performance of our students who have prepared various cultural and creative programs for your entertainment. I conclude here with a hope making this annual function an unforgettable celebration of this brilliance within our school community. Once again, a hearty and warm welcome to all and our present here. Thank you. Have a great evening. Jai Vinayak.